Are you trying to decide between Linktree and Card? You're not alone. Many people wonder which tool is better for sharing links and creating landing pages. In this video, we'll compare Linktree and Card. Both tools help you showcase multiple links in one place, but they do it in different ways. Linktree is all about simplicity. It lets you create a single page with multiple links. You can customize it with colors and images. It's perfect for social media profiles. You just add your links and Linktree does the rest. On the other hand, Card offers more design options. It's not just a link tool, it's a full landing page builder. You can create a more complex site with different sections, images, and even forms. If you want more control over how your page looks, Card is a great choice. Now, let's talk about the key differences. Linktree is quick and easy to set up, is focused on links, and is user friendly. Card takes a bit more time to learn but gives you more flexibility. You can create a unique page that stands out. When it comes to features, Linktree has basic analytics to track clicks. Card offers more customization options and integrations with other tools. If you want to build something special, Card is the way to go. Pricing is also different. Linktree has a free version, but its premium features cost extra. Card also has a free plan, but its paid options provide more advanced features. In the end, if you need something simple and quick, go for Linktree. If you want to create a unique landing page with more options, choose Card. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.